when I die.
Hello and welcome friends, how are you? Hope all are fine. So friends, in this video of today, we have to trim this viral reel which is going trending on Instagram. And to edit this video, you have to install VN application which is easily found on Play Store. When you open this application, you will get interface like this. Guys, you need 9 photos to make this video. First photo should be of yourself and other 8 photos you want to be in your next life. Now you have to click on plus icon and click the new project option to take the 9 photos from your phone gallery. In this way you can see guys, you have to take like this, okay, and delete the default clip of VN and select the ratio of 9.16. okay. Now you will add the music link is given in the description. You have to download reel video, then we will extract the audio from that reel. So to extract the audio, we have to click on plus icon, then music option and click the plus icon and extract from video option. Okay, now you have to select that downloaded video and click the OK option. Now you click the choose option and run from here. In this way music will be added. Now we have to trim our photos by listening music. So first I trim the photos, after that I will tell you photos durations. So guys, I have trimmed the photos. Now note the photos durations from given on the screen. And then we will add text over the first photo. And to add the text, click on plus icon and text option. Okay. Now you have to input your text. Okay, then you have to done from here. Now increase the timeline till the end. Like this. Okay, and now we'll keep the first text for 3 seconds. So click on the text timeline and here is the split option, cut from here. Okay, now we will click the second text timeline, okay, and click the edit option, and now you have to type the next text. So first you remove this text, okay, and type here I am going to come back as one of. Okay, again we will done from here. Now we'll keep the second text for 2 seconds. So I will trim from here. Okay, select the timeline and split from here. Okay, and again now you have to click on third timeline and click the edit option, and now we have to type third text, but first you remove this text. Okay, and here you will type these only, and we'll done from here. Okay, then you have to come on this joint and split from here this timeline and delete the extra part of this text. Click on here and delete it. Okay, now you have to click on off any text and click the edit option, and you can select the fonts and colors from here. Font option is here, and select the fonts according to you, and have to click on apply to all option. Okay, now click on edit option. Now select the colors from here. I will keep white color because I like this, but you can select according to you. Okay, Now have to done from here. Now your video is ready to save. To save the video, click on export option and done from here. Now you have to click on save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want to trending viral reels notifications. So see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.